Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live session for 8/1/2019. Let's get right into the charts. Wow, what a day. All right, hold on here. All right, it's been a while here. What's up, guys? Yeah, Blake, unbelievable. Take some lotto puts, and oh my gosh, Bookie, we are killing this market. Yeah, how about it, guys? That's why today I didn't even want to trade, but I figured when we were bouncing up, guys, looking at the SPY, you know how, we're going up, up, up. We did not fill the gap. I have a Fibonacci on here. We go up, 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 right around 300. We start adding some lotto puts. It's like, all right, I'll put something on just in case these guys pull the rug. Goes up, and I'm just like, oh gosh, here we go, upside down. No big deal. We just slayed the markets in July, guys. Just rip roaring. Just unbelievable. So Trump comes out, tariffs, lights out. We had an average price of 118 on these puts, guys. SPY puts. What were they? Oh, I don't even know what they were. And then we shorted some put. We shorted puts here once. We shorted again once. 295, 294 is good. But the 118 puts, I think they were the 300s. 118 to $6. I hope some of you guys caught that, right? I know, Blake, you're in there ripping it up. There's a couple other guys too in the as members. I know you guys are catching them too. When a wild bookie comes out, whenever there's volatility, yeah, exactly. Now, you know what, Finra? I was doing some go-to meetings here and there. My kids are in school, so once they're back in school, I'll be going live a little bit more. But I'll be doing it more for the go-to meeting private session. So, but wow, what a day, guys, in the market. So let's get right into the charts here. SPY daily. We're looking at this gap window, then gap fill, guys. 292.91. It looks like it wants that 292.30. But yesterday it looked like it wanted it. We have two big days outside bar. And gosh, you know what? If we close down here, oh my gosh, it's not going to be good for the market. So still have the jobs report. They could prop it up tomorrow. So we'll reload tomorrow, maybe do it again. Took profits like a good boy today. Yeah, it's hard not to. We were short Apple. After earnings, took some off the table today. Hell with it. We did shares only, done. Boeing's they're all getting slaughtered right now. That's why I explained to you guys, especially my members, everything's a market trade. SPY dumps. I mean, there's some stocks up today. I mean, that's just the way it is. We got SHOP going up. We got TTD. Well, let's see. Where's TTD now? It's still up $2. Unbelievable. Tesla's getting wrenched on. Target's getting wrenched. The SPY's getting wrenched. For the most part, if the SPY continues lower, all these stocks have been flying. They will catch the wind, and they will start to fall as well. Unbelievable action, though, today, guys. All on news. You guys can hear me okay and everything? I haven't done this in a while, so. But just getting a handle on the markets right there, big area. You can't deny this. Gap fill or gap window, gap fill, and then another gap fill, another gap fill. These guys, look at this. The whole rally on nothing. This was the rate cut rally. This was the Mexico, beautiful letters. And then the G20, oh, they're meeting, China trade. And then it was like, oh, China trade, rate cut. Then they get the rate cut. They dump it in everyone's face. And then today they rip it in everyone. Everybody went short yesterday. You guys know it. Everybody's shorting down here. So what do the market makers do? What did this Uncle Jerome takes care of? They just start wrenching everybody. Because everyone's buying the debt or, oh my gosh, sell it, go short. And then they know, computers know, algos know, and then they're just wrenching everybody. I guarantee everyone who bought puts yesterday, they were selling them here. We were selling ours down in here. And we had puts yesterday too. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. Let's see, took profits. Boeing is getting, yeah, everything sounds good. Yeah, right now at least. Oh yeah. Well, again, just like I told you guys, look at Ben Bernanke, go to YouTube, watch all his videos in 2007 and 8, telling everybody, everything's good. We promise, and everything is okay. You know what? Trump's got this market going. Jobs are going. I mean, ISM numbers, I guess, came in a little bit weak today. Consumer spending flying. Man, it's just too much. We just had guys, let me go. And I show my members this all the time. Look at this SPY crap. 2009. We're out of flipping control, guys. 2000, and then they're comparing it to here's 2000. This is what CNBC was comparing it. Well, when they did it in 1995, and then they did it here, and that just made the market probably right here. This was probably the rate cut right here. They didn't like it. Then it popped, came right back, right up to the bubble, back down. I don't think they have anything left, guys, to be honest with you. After this move, I can't, you know what? But triple top, holding up. 300 is the big area. If it continues higher, great. We'll be shorting again. Intraday action, though, has been phenomenal, guys. We've been just tearing these markets sideways to tomorrow. So, and then we had Google shave some of that. We took off some of Apple today. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what else we did. But anyways, SPY, look at that. Guys, if you're new to StockBookie, come on. This is such the bullshit rally I've ever seen in my life. But hey, as long as it's up here, everyone's buying yachts and double Escalades. So not me. I'm preserving my cash, guys, because when this whole fucking thing, excuse my language, they pull the rug and this thing comes back in, I'm going to be buying houses, foreclosures, everything else. Because I'm gonna buy that big 38-foot Formula boat for half price. Because the guy who just bought it today, because he thinks he's rich, he'll be selling it for half price, or maybe even just letting the bank take it. Banks will be selling boats again. So, but anyways, we're having fun here. Going a little bit lighter. July, like I said, we had a great month. So now we're just kind of taking it day by day. If we have profits here at StockBookie, we pull them. We don't sit around and wait. High flyers, my members know, a couple of them were getting just killed. I tell my traders, small positions, you can handle them a little bit better. They hurt, they do. But if you're not spreading your positions around and getting in different ones, you just can't sit in one or two and just get railed, guys. You got to spread them apart. And that's what I teach my members. Last year, 500 trades on the year, 400 winners with 100 losers, guys. Come on. And then this year, I don't even know. Where are we? I think we're almost at 500 now, but we're tearing it up. We're doing it back. Yeah, you know what? They're all going to come in. Hey, what's up, C? They're all going to come in, guys. And I always go to this one, NVIDIA. Remember NVIDIA? But they said 400, and this thing was going up on us too. This one took us to the cleaner, guys. But I didn't have a huge flipping position. We shorted this one plenty of times. We did short calls, puts. We did a lot of different stuff on this. It's not going to stop me from trading because I'm in a position. You got to have some left to trade, guys. You can't have $100,000 account and you're in two positions with 120 with margin. That does nothing for you. I try to explain to everybody, small positions, take them. The lottos we take, we don't load the boat. If you have a huge account, then load the boat. If you got a smaller account, then just go slow and steady. Gosh, slow and steady, kicking ass. But this one I love to bring up to the table because it went up and up and up and up. And, oh my gosh, Boogie, I don't know what to do. I'm short from 200. I'm getting my ass kicked. It's like, all right, well, what's your position size? 50%? It's like, damn, okay, you are getting your ass kicked. And then all of a sudden, rug pull. And we were saying right here down in, well, actually, we were saying first the 20 MA, but I was always saying around this 120-ish area, 125. It's coming down and bam, look at that. Boom. So shop stocks like this. It's shop. It's stock of the year. Oh my gosh, look, it should probably go higher. Right now, 186 is the price target. If you look at the weekly chart, I got 106 for the price target on the weekly. All right. This one caught us just like Win, just like what other ones? What other AAOI? Remember that one? And I always show this one too. AAOI, this was another one. Oh my gosh, Bookie, we were getting killed. And this one, I think we were in right around 90 or so, or 86. We shorted this one a couple times, but when it got to 100, everyone was like, oh my gosh, we're getting killed. And then rug pull. And I was telling everybody, $40. It's going to go $40. You're an idiot, Bookie. Guess what? Yeah, look at this one today, guys. If you remember, look at that. Look where we're at. Did we get to 10? Oh my gosh, no way. I'm not even watching this one, but this is one, you know what to do, guys. So, all right, let's see here. If you're new to the room, throw out a symbol. I want the $sign so I know what the hell you're talking about. Because some guys put in like ADK for I don't know and shit like that. They're going to do it. Shop, oh yeah, they're all coming in. Shop, TTD, all the high flyers, guys. Twilio, all of them. Look at Beyond. Oh, it just keeps going. And then the SPY pulls back, lights out. All right, so let's see here. Take profits, Boeing being slaughtered, Uncle John. Yep, Uncle Jerome. Beyond holding up. Yeah, but Robert, yeah, that thing's going to fricking come in like a rock. Ruku's finally coming in. Thoughts on Disney? Disney just keeps going. But Disney, you know what? They're just like, yeah, it's good. Don't worry. Disney, monthly chart stretched. It's a stretch job. I mean, it's Disney, you know. They're streaming now. They're doing all this stuff, and it's going to be so great. We promise. Markets come in, SPY and everything. This thing's going to be $108 stock with no problem. Disney, just for me, I'm short. A little bit out of the water, no big deal. With shares, I got time. Doesn't matter. 10% and below position as well. Way below 10%, to be honest with you. And for me, if you have a $100,000 account, guys, I always tell people 10% positions. With markets like this, with news and everything, I'd go 5%. I'd rather be in 10 trades with $5,000 each and then inch in on those, maybe go 1,500. But you want to get interested in these stocks, especially the shops, especially the Twilios, the TTDs, the Tree. Remember Tree? That was another one. But then this one railed us here, guys. Another one that, I mean, literally, I mean, come on, $50 to 400 in a couple of years, and everyone's like, it's got to go higher. Comes in, guys. We were up, I don't know what my price was, upside down, came in, we pulled it off for nice profits, went right back up, went right back in. I think our average price was 386, maybe right in there as it was flying. It's like, all right, breathe. We're double top, high flyer. Boom, comes in, we're out. Money management. It's so critical in this game. Yeah, after the fact, like the SPY lotto trade, you buy at $118, they go to 600, and it's like, oh, if I went all in, I would be a millionaire right now. But you know what? It's a marathon for us, guys. In and out, in and out, in and out. Get the hell out. Take the money and run. Let's see here. Yeah, Disney, though, just if you're long in it, I would be taking profits. I don't know what the earnings are, whatever. I could care less. Let it go to 150. Great. I mean, this is another one that, you know, just ran. And this one wasn't bad. It held this nice little trend line, comes in. It was a nice inside bar. Then finally they got that. I think this was the streaming. If it wasn't for that, Disney would be chopping around down here. So Disney for me is a short with shares. If you're long, I don't know, I'd be taking some profits. I mean, you know, the markets have to go up for these to continue up. It's a market trade overall. All right, so that's Disney. Yeah, so just be careful with this one, especially if you're trying to, you know, keep it long and go. You know, next thing you know, markets go. It goes click, and next thing you know, it's 130, 120, 108, and you're like, what just happened? And then weekly charts, I'll look at this one. Usually the 200 MA, that's usually the target, and that's at 107. Okay, and that came in real nice today. I mean, it was like, oh, Disney, and then the markets fell, and it was like, oh, shit. There it goes. So, yeah, so that's it. AMD, let's take a look at AMD. AMD, another high flyer, guys, just keeps going and going and going. Double top. Look at that. Goes down, 16, holds the support, right back up. Everyone's like, it's AMD. It's got to go higher. And then they pull the rug. And this was even better, guys. They push it up, double top, bring it down, right back in the double top, right into earnings, I think it was. And everyone's like, oh, here it goes. It's going to do it. And then they pull the rug. And honestly, this one could be easily back down to 16, maybe lower. 16, Bucky, AMD, you're nuts. Well, I was telling everybody Tesla. You go back to the videos right around here. I was telling them it was at 370. 180's coming. You're crazy. Then at 320, 180's coming. You're crazy. 280, 180's coming. You're crazy. Crack this, and I told you guys, it cracks this trend line here. You better step aside. And it did, came down. They retraced it, sucked more bulls in it, buy the dip, and then they flushed it in their face. Told you guys, this thing was going up for weeks. 260's your area. If it can't get above that, you're going to have some issues. Oh, Bucky, you're an idiot. You don't know. You don't trade. You don't know anything. Well, anyway, I you know, just trade the markets, guys. Buy and hold. Everyone's like, buy and hold Tesla. Guys, buy and hold. You'd be nowhere. For what, 5 years later, nowhere. We pulled off 700 points of trades on Tesla, and I have people arguing with me. Well, you're just a trader. You're not catching the gains that we are in Tesla. Really? Even if you bought at 0, it's at 230. That's it. We've had over 700 points. Each one of these falls, guys, 100 points. Each one. Buy, short, buy, short, buy, short, buy. You can't get any, it isn't any easier than that. This one, they would have got you, but if you would have bought the dip and just hold, next thing you know, you're going right up. And then the M3, oh, it's going. Everyone's getting crazy up here. And then it chops another 100-point moves 22 times. And then they flush it in your face. And I got people, well, Tesla's a buy and hold. Really? Okay. Keep telling yourself that. Elon 420. Anyways, this expires on the 3rd, but you think I could get a free month with you mentioned a while back? Maybe. It's only $30, bro. If you took any of these trades, come on. But yeah, I mean, I could keep you in the feed. Yeah, you're all right, Eric. I don't, whatever. I don't. This last month, guys. Holy crap! I think I'm just gonna stop the service and be done. And it's easier just to. Hey. All right. Anyway, so AMD, yeah, I'm sorry I'm going around, but my gosh, a lot to talk about today. AMD, you're holding the 20 on the weekly. This bar here, that's kind of ugly. You got to really see what the SPY keeps going down. Everything's going down, guys. Period. SPY goes up, then these can grind. Key areas right here. Gap fill, 20 MA. You got the pivot where it bounced up. That's ugly action, guys. Back below this trend line. So hard to say. Let's see what we get with the jobs report. Let's see what we get on the weekly close on these. That's what I tell my members. We are following the weekly close. Too much up and down action to trade to say, one day we're flying, next day we're dropping. And look at this. I mean, weekly, it looks like, oh man, double top, looks like it's going to break out, and then bam, right back down. Did we fill that gap? No, we still got gaps to fill here. A little bit uglier on the daily, but still okay. Got a lot of shit on this one. I mean, it was following this trend line. It was going up, and then finally it broke out, came in, broke out. It's how do you trade this other than just get in, get out, get in, get out, take your profit and say, hey, thank you very much. Kind of like Apple, guys. We shorted on earnings. I'm right in around I don't know what my 218 or whatever. Hold on, let me look. But Apple, we're at 216.72. We pulled some off at 208. So we're in the driver's seat. I'll put a break even, maybe a little bit above, maybe at 220. Great. If it goes back to 220, I like the setup. I'll short it again at 220. That's what we do. In and out, in and out, in and out. SPY lottos, though. Bam. That was great. ZM we had. Amazon we pulled. Beyond we pulled some more profits on that one. 2 put trades, too. Guys just kicking ass and taking names. Man, love this stuff. How's the stream going too, guys? I got my kids here. They're all on Netflix and everything. I'm sure I'm on a little bit of a delay. But